3 weeks ago, my cousin's car started doing weird things. The AC wouldn't cool. The power windows went up in slow motion. The dashboard computer showed random error messages. Official dealership, we need to run a full diagnostic, €95 plus VAT. I told her, wait, before you spend €1, do this. I taught her a 10-second sequence, literally 10 seconds. Result, everything fixed. Car running perfectly, €0 spent. Today I'm going to teach you the reset that manufacturers don't want you to know about. Because if you knew how to do this, you wouldn't go to the shop for 70% of the problems they charge you for. And stick around until the end, because I'm going to reveal the 5 specific problems this trick solves instantly. Number 4 saved me €340 2 months ago. First, why does this work? Your modern car is basically a computer on wheels. It has between 30 and 100 electronic control units depending on the model. Engine ECU, transmission TCU, climate control system, sensors everywhere. And like any computer, sometimes they glitch, they freeze, they accumulate minor errors. The solution? Same as when your phone goes crazy, restart. But manufacturers don't tell you how to do it, because every time you go to the shop for a reset, they charge you €150. Multiply that by millions of cars. That's thousands of billions of euros in unnecessary services. Now yes, the universal method that works on 90% of cars since 2010. Step 1. Engine off. Key out of ignition. Step 2. Open the hood. Locate the battery. Step 3. With a wrench or pliers, loosen the negative terminal of the battery. It's the black cable, has a minus symbol. Step 4. Remove the negative terminal completely. Separate it from the battery about 5 centimeters. Step 5. With the terminal disconnected, go inside the car. Press the brake pedal hard for 30 seconds. Why? This completely discharges the capacitors in the electrical system. Step 6. Release the brake. Wait a full 2 minutes. This is the time. All ECUs need to reset. Step 7. Go back to the hood. Connect the negative terminal. Tighten it well. Step 8. Start the car. Let the engine idle for 3 to 5 minutes. The car is recalibrating sensors. Done. Complete reset. Now, the important precautions. Precaution 1. This reset erases radio memory. Write down your code before if your car has one. Precaution 2. During the first 50-100 kilometers, the car may feel weird. It's normal. It's relearning. Precaution 3. Don't do this if your battery is over 5 years old. An old battery may not start afterwards. Now, the 5 problems this reset solves. Problem 1. Power windows that don't go up or down automatically. This happened to me 6 months ago. Driver's window lost the auto function. Had to hold the button down the entire time. Shop, we need to reprogram the module. €120. I did the reset. Window working perfectly. What happens? The module loses calibration. The reset forces an automatic recalibration. Problem 2. Check engine for lazy O2. Sensor the check engine light comes on. Code P0133. Oxygen sensor slow response. The sensor is not broken. The ECU has corrupted data about its performance. Reset clears the code. In 60% of cases, it doesn't come back. Savings, €180–350 on unnecessary new sensor. Problem 3. AC that doesn't cool, but the system is full. My client, Seat Ibiza 2018. The AC doesn't cool. I check, refrigerant full, compressor working. Problem. The climate control module had an interior temperature sensor error. Full reset. AC working perfectly instantly. Shop would have charged him €200 between diagnosis and unnecessary recharge. Real cost, 0. Problem 4. Automatic transmission with harsh shifts. This is super common. Your automatic starts shifting gears harshly. You feel jerks. Shop says, the transmission needs service, €340–450. Before spending that, full reset. Why does it work? The transmission control unit learns your driving style. It accumulates wrong adaptations, the reset, erases those adaptations, returns to factory values. In 50% of cases, this completely solves it. Problem 5. Start-stop system that stops working. The start-stop turns off the engine at traffic lights to save fuel. Suddenly it stops working. Message: start-stop unavailable. Reasons the reset solves. The system detected weak battery even though it's fine. Temperature sensor with wrong reading. Module confused after another disconnection. Reset. In 70% of cases, start-stop works again. Important. What this reset doesn't solve, don't expect miracles. This reset doesn't fix real mechanical problems. Engine losing oil, clutch slipping, brakes squeaking, physically broken sensors. If the sensor is truly dead, it'll stay dead. Electrical failures, alternator not charging, weak starter motor. This reset is for electronic problems, not mechanical. The golden rule: if after the reset the problem comes back in less than 100 kilometers, then it does need real repair. Real story that sums it all up. Javier, my friend, Ford Focus 2017. His car was doing 5 weird things. Slow windows, frozen touchscreen, parking sensors beeping for no reason, start-stop not working, wrong fuel consumption displayed Ford dealership. 3-4 hours of diagnostics, 600-800 euros in repairs. I told him, give me 15 minutes. Complete reset, all 5 things solved, 0 euros. Javier almost cried. He was going to spend 700 euros on unnecessary repairs. So, when to do this reset? Do it if you experience weird or intermittent electrical functions. Error, messages that appear and disappear. Erratic transmission behavior after changing battery. Once a year as preventive maintenance. And here's the final secret that shops hate. If you take your car to the shop with an electronic problem, they always do this reset first, always. Because they know that 60–70% of problems are solved this way. But they don't tell you. They charge you diagnostics of 80–120 euros. That button does exactly the same as disconnecting the battery. Now you know how to do it. Free. In your garage. Your action plan. Step 1. Locate your battery. Get familiar with the negative terminal. Step 2. Write down radio code if your car has one. Step 3. If you have an electronic problem, do the reset this weekend. Step 4. Even without problems, do it once a year. And leave me in comments. Does your car have any weird electronic problem? Tell me. I'll tell you if the reset will solve it. Hit like if you're going to try this. Share with someone who's about to spend money at the shop. And subscribe. Take control of your car. Stop giving away money. See you.